Hi there, in today's video there are September long nail art designs. September is coming and you should create September nail art designs. You can create September nails on your long and short nails. September nails include pastel nails, French nails, some marble nails or matte nails, and you can easily create these designs. If you want to add some glamour, then you should create some glitters or sparkles on your nails. You can create some marble designs and add some gold flecks on your nails. And if you want to create some subtle nail art design, then you should create some swivel nails or black French tip nails on your pointy nail art. All these designs are very cute and elegant, and you should create these designs in September month. Try out all these nail art designs and tell me if you want to see any tutorial. If you have any nail art trend and if you want to see any nail art trend videos, then tell me in the comment section. See you soon. Thank you.